Men's 5-in-1 Electric Shaver and Grooming Kit by AsaVea. Quality Head Shaver. 5-in-1. Lithium battery. Waterproof. Easy and fast results. About this item. Quality Head Shaver. Finally, the perfect head shaver for men to fit your needs. 5-in-1. This electric head shaver and grooming kit have 5 different functions. Lithium battery. High power and long-lasting batteries up to 60 minutes. Waterproof. AsaVea Head Shaver is waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower. Easy and fast results. The way that our shaver is structured makes it easier and faster to get the results you want. AsaVea Men's 5-in-1 Electric Shaver and Grooming Kit. 5D Floating Head. Flexible and independent floating 5-knife head. Fitting facial contour, shaving without dead ends. Difficult parts can also be easily shaved. 5D floating head helps to enlarge contact area and reduces irritation, giving you an efficient and comfortable shaving experience. AsaVea Men's 5-in-1 Electric Shaver and Grooming Kit. Ergonomic design. The ergonomically designed 5-head shaver gives you a total control. Plus, the handle is comfortable to hold. Cordless and rechargeable. Lithium battery with 2 hours of charge time. You can use the trimmer for 60 minutes, cordless. It is rechargeable with laptops, cars, sockets. So what's inside? There is one main body, one charger, and one cleaning brush. Product description. Looking for a one-product solution for your shaving and grooming needs? You will find it here with AsaVea Head Shaver. It's a 5-in-1 grooming kit to serve your shaving, trimming, and cleaning needs. With this system, you'll be able to trim hair, shave head and beard hair, soften stubble, trim nose hair, cleanse face, and to shape your beard. Features. Effective head shaver. Grooming kit, 5 different heads. Waterproof. Lithium battery. Trim and shave head, beard, nose, and ear hair. Use cordless for up to 2 hours. Ergonomic design. And precise shave. Customers love this product, as you can see by the many great reviews. Click on the link in the description below, and you will be taken straight to the product page. Thank you for watching my review video. Have a great day.